Hello guys. Literally, I don't have anything to tell. But as to complete my daily task, so I would speak regarding something. Let's talk about the Mauryan Empire. The Mauryan Empire, founded by Chandragupta Maurya in 1321 BCE. Chandragupta Maurya was one of the great and significant and powerful king who put the base of the empire and the policies and diplomacies. I mean, literally, guys, I am thinking where I am right now, right? I mean, I have been. We have covered a journey of 54 days, and this is our 55th day. And I still want the answer where we have come. I mean, I'm anxious. I don't have words. I have words, but I'm not fluent yet to speak them, fluently, to speak them right to the point. Uh, What I what I'm supposed to give, what I'm supposed to say when someone asks me, tell me about the Mauryan Empire. The Mauryan Empire, one of the earliest empire of ancient India, founded in 3021 321 BCE by Chandragupta Maurya, the disciple of Chanakya, Acharya Chanakya. Chandragupta Maurya was the founder and ruler of the Mauryan Empire, the first ruler. He defeated the king of Nanda dynasty, that was Dhananand, and became the ruler. Magad, or the empire, was empire became powerful, became significant, and he ex- expanded the empire towards the northwestern Europe, northern western India, because because of the plightful condition of those empires after the Alexander's invasion. Right? Right? Guys. So, as a leader, I would make you learn from this experience. This experience means where you have nothing to be proud of, where you know that you are at the you are at the level where what you need to be consistent, what you know, what you what all need is to be consistent, right? Well, I'm supposed to sleep. Well, I have to wake up early in the morning. But I know that I won't sleep. I won't fucking sleep. What I would do, yeah, still 5 minutes. What to talk about? What to talk about? Okay, if it is about English, then I can share my experiences, right? I think that is the easiest job that I can do. But as to be consistent, I have to do it. Yeah. Which experience? Okay, let me tell you about one of the movie that I have watched recently. Right? Which movie? 12th film? Yeah. 12th film. 12th film. The protagonist is Mr. Manoj Kumar Sharma, who belonged to Chambal, right? Chambal, the vines of Chambal. If you are a student of geography, you must know about the ravines of Chambal, where the robbers, the kind of uh, gangs of thieves used to live. These places are famous for the loot, the robbers, the gangsters, like this. The ravines of Chambal are famous for those people. That was the accommodation area for those people. Hmm? Yes, guys. What happened in the movie? First of all, the initial condition of the protagonist is was full of filled up of poverty. His father is very kind of just, and because he faced okay, 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 okay. Guys, it's okay. It's enough. Right? You heard me right. It's enough. It's enough being frightful. It's enough. We have afraid enough. Now what? I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Actually, I'm sorry. Guys, let me tell you about my condition from 12 days straight. For 20 days straight. 20 days. So for 20 days straight, I have not studied well. And I have to appear for my board examination, right? Only 5 minutes are remaining and I have to speak English so that I can at least speak. I don't know what will be speaking tomorrow, but one thing that I want to confess here is that I'm making this video on 21st night, 22nd January. But I'm going to title this 21st January. Why? Why I'm doing this? Cheating? To make the flow? Right? No. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to put 21st June. Why? Because I have just realized that fake fakeness is, it's all about me. It's only I am watching this video. I am recording it and I am watching it. There is no need of lying here. At least here. So I'm going to be honest to me. For myself, if it does not make any difference, it's okay. No problem. I would be still honest towards me. At least that would give me peace. I know that the condition is worse and that is why it is important. Right? I have to do it. I have to do it and I will do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. Right? I'll do it. I will do it. Guys. It becomes very difficult when you don't have any specific topic to talk about. I know that it is being very much boring, but what can I do? What can I do? You know what? I'm loving scrolling the reels. I'm loving it. Why? I don't know. And you know what? I would again scroll the reels for some time. Maybe 19 hours, 17 hours, right? Or such kind of time. I love watching cartoon and I would watch that. This is giving me happiness. Why would I not do that? When you see something like someone like this, it means that you are very much interested in their life. And I want to see myself how I would be looking like saying being in this position. या सो बीत गए हैं 15 मिनट, अब मैं स्पीक कर सकता हूँ, सो हिंदी में बात कर सकता हूँ। देखो यार, बहुत सीन चल रहा है, मतलब काफ़ी वो चल रहा है, लेकिन कुछ भी नहीं चल रहा। लिटरली मैं एक बताऊँ तो मैं अंदर से थोड़ा सा वैसा फील कर रहा हूँ कि यार समटाइम्स वी वांट समथिंग न्यू, और वी वांट समथिंग different, right? I'm loving the each and every moment, and I'm not afraid. Literally, I believe myself that I can do it, and I will do it. I will do it. It's just what I'm enjoying. This time थोड़ा सा है, लेकिन I'm enjoying this also, right? अभी तक देखो यार, मैंने डिसाइड नहीं किया है कि मुझे अब ज़ीरो टेक्नोलॉजी करनी है कि नहीं करनी है, किस तरह से चीज़ों को लेकर चलना है, बट मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया है कि अब सही तरीके से करना है जो भी करना है, और करना ही है। सब्स्टिट्यूट वगैरह मैं अब देने नहीं वाला, और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मैं ले लूँगा अपनी, बस। मैं जानता हूँ आज का टॉपिक बड़ा ही वैसा रहा है, बट लिटरली आई एम टेलिंग गाइस, खतरनाक कर देंगे, बस चाहिए आपका साथ। चलो बाय।